Hi, my name is Julia. Please call me Julia Sensei. Though I have graduated Philippines high school, currently I am a student in Australian University in Malaysia. I major in International Business Management and Accounting. So I can provide you a class in Japanese or English, whichever you feel comfortable with. My hobbies are watching movies, especially actions and superheroes, and also listening to animes. I'm a huge fan of it. Also, I really do love ramen. I even call myself a ramen girl. I used to live in Dagupan City in the Philippines and Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. Japoneze provides a unique Japanese conversation lessons via online, where you can enjoy talking about your hobbies. Visit our website and try a free lesson. My purpose for joining Japoneze is to have friends from all over the world. I can't wait to see you! 皆さんこんにちは。私はジュリア先生です。私は世界中のたくさんの人とお友達になりたくてジャポネーゼの先生を始めました。ではレッスンでお会いしましょう。さようなら。